through the caravan, around the campfire light. Lovely woman in motion, her hair is dark as night. Brian Hyland, Gypsy Woman, let's get started. Hey, Happy New Year's. Arian Smith here. Got a lot of good songs this year coming up, so tell your friends. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And this is a good song by Brian Hyland, Gypsy Woman. Come out in 1970, and he's the one that had the itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Boy, these songs couldn't be any more different from one another. But he was a lot younger then. But this is a real good song. Okay, it starts out just like this. A flat minor. From nowhere. And it's pretty easy to play because it's just chords, nothing fancy in it. From nowhere, through the caravan, around the campfire light. Then it goes to a C sharp minor. Lovely woman in motion, her hair is dark as night. Then E flat minor. Her eyes was like a cat in the dark. Come back to C sharp minor. E flat minor. That hypnotized me with love. C sharp minor. Then it goes to F sharp. She was a gypsy woman. She was a gypsy woman. See, it's pretty easy. So the gypsy woman part is you're going to the B. She was a gypsy woman, C sharp minor. She was a back to B, gypsy woman. See, it's pretty, then back to the verse again. She danced around and round to the guitar melody. Her eyes were facing all aglow. How she enchanted me. Then, oh, I love to hold her near and forever whisper in her ear. I love the gypsy woman. I love you, gypsy woman. Okay, it goes like that. And I'll slow it down for you. I'll run through that. The first verse again, just from nowhere. So you're there. Around the campfire light. Lovely woman in motion. Hair as dark as night. Her eyes was like a cat in the dark. Then it goes back to that. That hypnotized me with love. And then F sharp. She was a gypsy bee woman. C sharp minor. She was a gypsy woman bee. C sharp minor. Okay, now we're going to do this one part where it goes, okay, you're coming back to the A flat minor where it goes, off through the caravan, E flat minor. She was dancing with all the men, waiting for the rising sun. Everyone was having fun. I hate to see the lady go. Oh, I know she'll never know that I if that one part might be a little different in there. Maybe you could work with it and get it sounding a little bit better. But all through the caravan, she was dancing with all the men, waiting for the rising sun. Of course, there's oohs and stuff in there, and everyone was having fun. I hate to see the lady go. Oh no, she'll never know. This part right here, that I love her, that I love her. I love you, gypsy woman. That was always kind of funny to me, so you might want to work with it and get it a little bit better. Well, I got it. But there you go. I love you. And the chorus, you know, at the end it fades out. It goes, I love you, gypsy woman. I love you, gypsy woman. Of course, there's that effects in there and stuff, but gypsy woman. And then it just fades out. But there you go. Brian Hyland, Gypsy Woman. Come out in 1970. Good song. And just work with it. And it's really not too bad, because it's just got chords in it and stuff. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time, later.